In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced level. In this lecture, I will solve past paper MCQs, that is AJK PSC 2013. How many subgroups does the group Z3 direct sum Z16 have? Solution, that is, since Z3 and Z16 are abelian groups, so Z3 direct sum Z16 is also an abelian group of order 48. Since the divisor of 48 is the subgroup of that order, so divisors of 48 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24, 48. Then there will be 10 subgroups of Z3 direct sum Z16. So option B is correct, which is the required solution. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update.